Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rayo. Kaninang umaga guys, I was at the gym working out. And while I was doing that, of course, I'm also on my phone. Kausap ko yung suppliers ko, kausap ko yung mga customers ko, and I'm trying to also check on some of the productions na kailangan namin matapos. I realized na ibang-iba na talaga yung ginagawa ko from the time that I started working here in Manila, no? Laki akong Baguio eh. And all my life, I never really imagined na mapupunta ako sa ganitong estado ng buhay ko. Coming from being a barista part-timer, no, ng Starbucks before. And I just had a dream na gusto kong maging magaling sa ginagawa ko, be it nung nasa pagiging barista ko or nung nag-start akong mag-work sa call center. I just wanted to be good at what I do. Alam niyo yun? So, ngayon sa business ko, I also apply the same principle na gusto kong maging magaling sa ginagawa ko. To a point na this time with my customers, I try to really highlight kung ano nga ba yung strengths na ginagawa namin in terms of producing yung mga items na kailangan nila, making sure na planchado, malinis, maganda yung gawa, and andun yung pinagbayaran na halaga ng pera ninyo. It's something na I'm very proud of to actually share. Umabot na rin yung business ko after several years of akala ko saglit lang to. Akala ko I never get to pay off my mortgage. I never get to see other places, no, or will I be able to get the things that I want, no? Para sa sarili ko, para sa nanay ko. And ngayon talagang na-realize ko siya and I'm really living my dream. I'm very grateful of what I have now. I'm grateful for the people na nag-support sa akin. I'm also grateful for the people na hindi nag-support sa akin kasi I see it na talagang ganun lang rin eh. Pero as business owners, there are things na kailangan natin ma-experience. You know guys, I always try to listen sa mga business owners more than the CEOs, more than the top executives sa mga companies. I try to go and listen sa mga entrepreneurs din, sa mga business owners din. And they always say na ang dami talaga nilang pinagdaanan. Hindi sila yung one day nag-start sila ng business and then yun na agad, lumaki na rin agad. And I can really relate as a business owner on that kasi when I was starting, ang dami kong no na narinig. Ang dami kong nilapitan ng mga clients, ang dami kong nilapitan ng mga kaibigan, ang dami kong inalokan ng mga products ko before, and marami sa kanila yung nagsabing, sige, titignan ko na lang, sige, magtatanong ako, sige kapag may nagtanong sa akin, mga ganyan. And more often, in my experience, yung mga ganon, wala lang. You know? Wala lang talaga yun. And there was a time na na-realize ko, I really have to focus my attention dun sa effort na makakapagbigay sa akin ng result na kailangan ko. And these are the tough decisions na kailangan nating makuha, kailangan nating magawa sa business owner. Some of the things na kailangan natin gawin are things na hindi ninyo gagawin kapag hindi kayo nagsimula ng sarili ninyong business. And this is the reason why I wanted to share this video to you. Kasi ang dami ko na rin nakakausap na kagaya ninyo. Gustong magsimula ng business, hindi lang alam kung saan magsisimula. Gustong mag-aral muna, gustong ma-perfect muna. These are some of the real reasons kung bakit some people are good in business and some people may not be good in business. So, pero don't take this personal. This is just really one of the observations na talagang nakita ko rin sa sarili ko na ginagawa ko na ngayon as a business owner. first thing na gusto kong i-share ay yung ayaw mag-start. Yan. Not necessarily ayaw mag-start, but more of ang dami niyong requirements para mag-start. Di ba? Gusto ninyo meron kayong office. Gusto ninyo meron kayong savings. Meron kayong puhunan. Meron na kayong product na mabebenta. Meron na kayong packaging na maganda. Yung ang daming requirements, guys. No? Nung nag-start ako, talagang I make it work. No? Hindi siya perfect. Pero I started with the pins, tapos cardboard paper lang yung piniprint namin sa bahay. Pinapakat ko pa, and ganun lang. Ganun lang siya. Good thing that people really see the purpose nung ginagawa namin, and more often than not, it's really because of the product's quality. Kaya rin lumaki, kaya rin gumanda yung sales ko before. From 3 designs ng mga enamel pins na ginawa namin before, it went up to a lot more designs. And now, napakarami mga products nga na ginagawa namin. Marami na yan sa akin, yung mga ref magnets, keychains na ginagawa namin dati. I was very careful kung paano ako mag-expand. I was trying to be very perfect as well. No? Critical din ako sa sarili ko. Kapag nagpapadala ako ng mga items ko sa mga resellers ko, ako yung minsan nahihiya sa sarili ko kasi parang, gosh, eto lang yung ganito ko lang siya ipapadala sa kanila. And some of my partners, the bigger ones, they say na parang, uy, okay lang yan. At least maganda yung quality ng products natin. Wala namang reklamo yung mga buyers natin. And they see yung paggawa sa products ninyo. So, dun pa lang talagang, you know, it warms my heart. And I feel very proud of what I do. So, yun yung gusto ko sabihin sa inyo, guys. If you really want to start, with your business, it doesn't have to be perfect. Pero you have to start doing it kasi dun nyo lang talaga siya makikita kung ano nga ba yung produktong yan. What it is about, What it is about. So sayang yung opportunity kapag hindi kayo nagsisimula. Pangalawa dyan, guys, is that you're trying to worry on things na hindi naman talaga mangyayari. What if malugi? What if walang bumili? What if ganito? What if ganyan? And what if mag-succeed ka rin? What if I never started? Siguro hanggang ngayon nagbabayad pa rin ako ng bahay ko. Siguro hanggang ngayon lubog pa rin ako sa utang. Siguro hanggang ngayon I've never visited any of the places that I was able to visit because of my business. Yung liberty on my work, yung binigay niya sa akin for my financial freedom, and yung capacity ko ngayon to actually tell myself na I'm in a good place. I am really in a good place in terms of where I am in my business and where I want to project, in the next 5 years. So, huwag kayong mag-worry. Walang masamang mangyayari kapag maayos yung ginagawa nating trabaho para sa sarili natin. Siguro, ibahin lang natin yung ating perspective and i-attract natin positive things na hindi natin alam pero pwede mangyari. I'm not shielding you away from the fact na pwede naman talagang bumagsak, I'm not saying na hindi kayo babagsak. Baka, di ba? Pero mas maganda kasing isipin na pwede rin pala talaga itong mangyari sa akin. Kapag nangyari rin yun sa inyo, there's only one person that you can really be thankful for, and that is yourself. Sarili nyo lang yan. Kasi kayo naman talaga yung gumawa niyan eh. This last thing that I want to share is really something na sa tingin ko kailangan talaga nating lahat, and that is the support of the people that we really hold dear in our hearts. Alam ko sa sarili ko na malaki yung pangarap ko. Alam ko sa sarili ko na I want to do it. I want to do something like this. And I was able to start building on it even before, anyone else was there for me. Pero kapag nahanap niyo yung taong yun, it doesn't have to be a family member, they don't have to be a partner, they don't have to be a business partner as well. Pero if you see someone that really believes in what you do, no, wag niyo sila pakakawalan. Lalo na kapag you were able to succeed in what you're doing, wag niyo silang pakakawalan kasi baka sila talaga yung swerte ninyo eh. Naniniwala ako sa ganun. Meron din tao na darating and they don't have to be someone na romantic or they don't have to be someone na talagang sasabihin cheerleader natin. Pero they can be someone na swerte talaga. Iba kapag meron yung support ng isang taong yan para sa inyo. All in all guys, I would say na kailangan talaga meron kayong tiwala sa sarili niyo kapag magsisimula kayo ng business. Kailangan buo yan sa sarili ninyo and walang ibang taong makakapagsabi na hindi nyo yun pwedeng gawin. You know? Kayo lang yun. Right? Pero you also have to be humble and true kapag mali, kapag hindi na maganda, or kapag pabagsak na, alamin ninyo. No? Alamin ninyo yun and you have to acknowledge it. Kasi kapag hindi, kayo rin yung magkakaroon ng problema. So before I end this video guys, I really want to just give you that challenge, you know? So you'll never know kung saan kayo makakapunta. You'll never know kung hanggang saan pwedeng lumaki yung business niyo if you started it. And if you really focus and really work hard for it. Kasi you owe it to yourself, gawin nyo rin yan para sa sarili niyo. Yun. More than just inspiring you on this video today, I hope you take action. No, I hope you take action. If you like these kinds of video guys, I hope you can be a supporter of my channel by being a subscriber. Maraming salamat and I'll see you sa susunod na trip. And I'll see you sa susunod na video. Bye-bye.